Student, once again our 6th standard mathematics lesson number 11 algebra. Student, in this lesson we can see the different terms and new things of the lesson 11 algebra standard 6 lesson number 11 mathematics. Before starting our today's sessions, let's we do some physical exercise. Standard 6 lesson number 11 algebra. Subject is mathematics, or you can say maths. Before starting our today's sessions, let's do some physical exercise. Yes, my dear student, you are right. Before starting our today's sessions, we should have to do the prayer, and prayer can be a silent also. So I hope you are ready with your stationaries and study. Silence, physical exercise, mental exercise, I think completed. We can begin our today's sessions. Now I am not calling your friend which will help you for your exercise, but I today put a special slideshow to understand the terms regarding algebra, which are very helpful to solve the questions, answers, or you can say solutions of your exercises. So first of all, we should have to know what is a algebra and from where it beginning. Algebra is found, it's said to be a branch of mathematics began more than 3,500 years ago. Algebra is not a new one. Before 3,500 years ago it started, when people in Egypt started denote unknown numbers. Unknown numbers means, suppose you are having a 3 bags, and in 3 bags you are having some apples. In one bag there is a 3 apple, in second bag you are having the 2 apples, and if you are having the total 9 apples, what are the apples in third bags? Will you find out? That means an unknown number. 3 bags of the basket or bag. Suppose 3 baskets are like this way. Isn't it? We cannot say outside. In one basket I said a 3, and in other suppose I can say 2. What about the third one? We have to find out, but total is 9. Total is 9. Will you tell me how many are there in the third one? Yes, my dear student, you are right. How you found this one? That is an unknown number. You don't know, but you found. Because in question only, you found the solution. So that is a rule of mathematics. Any type of sum or a question itself is the answer. You can find the answer from the question. For that, you should have to read a question more than twice. 2 बार 3 बार आप पढ़ो, उसमें से आंसर मिल जाएगा. क्वेश्चन क्या था बेटा? एक बास्केट में 3 है, दूसरे में 2 है, तीसरे में पता नहीं, पर टोटल 9 है. तो आपके दिमाग में बत्ती जल गई. टोटल 9 है, तो उसमें से ये माइनस कर दो तो मिल जाएगा. 3 + 2 5. 5 में माइनस कर दो 9 में से, तो आंसर आ गया 4. So that means 5 minus, and here you can say 4. How you got the 5? 3 + 2. 3 + 2 gives you a 5. Isn't it? This both works. Isn't it? And when you add this fourth one, total is 9. Easy or hard? Very easy. So unknown number Egyptian people started to denote means find out करने लगे थे around 300 BC, before Christ. Now 2000 is going on. So 2003 years before, use of letters to denote unknown expressions from them was quite common in India also. Yes, my dear student, it is correct. You are right. And mathematician Aryabhatta, born in 478 AD. Brahmagupta, Mahavira, who lived around 850 AD. And Bhaskara too. Yes, these all are our mathematicians. And others contributed a lot to the study of algebra. such as bija, varna, etc. To unknown and used first letters name key A from Kala black, Neem for Neela, N-E-E Neela blue, blue को हम नहीं बोलते थे. The Indian name of algebra बीजगणित dates back to the 1000. So like that way you understood algebra is not a new one, but it's a 1000 years ago. Studied and studied. New things are found. Is it or not? Yes. Introduction to algebra. Algebra is the use of letters and symbols to represent values and their relations, especially for solving equations. Students, here what is the expression and equation? Both the things you have to know. The combination of each letters and symbols are called the expressions. Here symbols and numbers are denoted by some letters. Suppose I can say x plus 2y. Isn't it? X plus 2y, or you can say x plus 3y. Isn't it? So here it is an expression. X is the letter, y is the letter, and 3 is the number. And in between there, it is by joined with x plus 3y with plus sign. Suppose someone say 4b. Yes, this is also expression. 4b. Only b or only p. P is also expression. No numbers, this means one number is already written. I can change the color of pen so you can see clearly what the things are there. P. Yes, my dear student. Okay. So once again, P is also there. I said 4b, or I can say x plus 3y. These are the expressions. Yes, my dear students. Or sometimes three terms are also there. This is a monomial. This is the binomial. Two terms means binomials. Three terms means trinomials. Expression. This is the expression. Suppose it is here written 8. 3y plus x is equal to 8. This is the whole things is given. This is called the equation. Students, this is called the equation. Why it is an equation? Because it has two parts. Is equal to and is equal to left side is equal to right side. Is it or not? So left side is this side and right side is right hand. According to your right hand, it's called the right hand side. According to the left, it is a LHS, left hand side. Same way RHS. This is called the equation. Students, be careful. Equation and expressions. Very good. Look at here. What are the terms? What are the degrees? What are the coefficients? Everything I am trying to give in detail. I am explaining this all the things, algebraic expressions of monomial 8x square. How to read out this one? 8x square. In here, this is called the term or parts of the expression. Example of algebraic expression. Algebraic, once again I remind you, it's nothing but say unknown number and numbers together. So whatever the numbers are written with any alphabet is called the coefficient. C-O-E-F-F-I-C-I-E-N-T. Coefficient of numerical. Suppose there is only x square. Don't worry about any number. Before the x square nothing is written. That means 1 is already multiplied with this number. So coefficient of x square is 1. Sometimes some students are still now confused how to get the 1, but a 1 is already multiplied with this one, or you can say the factors of this one is 1 and x. Is it clear? Now look at the variable. The name of the variable are denoted with the alphabets, and maximum it is denoted with the small alphabets A to Z. Variable or literal coefficient it is called. What about the power or degree or exponent? Exponent means, student, whatever the numbers are shown above the variable is called the power, or is called the degree, or is called the exponent. Easy? Yes, my dear student, you are right. It's so easy. So easy. Here is the x square, that means 2 is the exponent. But suppose is only x, then will you help me anyone? Yes, you are right. X means already 1 is there. Nothing means 1 is there. That's why here exponent is 1 of this one, X or A or B. Suppose P is there. Expression P. So P का exponent क्या रहेगा बेटा? 1. Is it? So I think so. Parts of the expressions you are very well knowing. Terms means a whole part of the expression, coefficient, variable and degree. Good. Now constant, numerical constant. Constants are symbols representing exact value like pi and a number. This is called the pi. My dear student, this is a pi. 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 A mathematical symbol, and it has the fixed value 22 upon 7. Or sometime you can take the 3.14. Both are the same one. How it came? Just take out. 22 divided by 7. Is it? 7 3s are 21. Yes, my dear student, correct. 1 is left. Bringing down extra 0. When you call the extra 0, there should be a point on the quotient side. Now 10 and 7. So 7 1s are 7. What is the remainder here, beta? 3 is the remainder. Again you can call one more 0. That time no need to put the decimal point because a number having only one decimal point. Count the 7 table up to 30. So yes, my dear students, 7 4s are 28. Now no need to go for further. Here 2 are the remainder, let it be there. But here you can got the 3.14. Is it there? 3.14? Yes, correct. Now constant are always written. An expression like b a cube and xy has a constant of 1. 1 is not written in any expression. If an expression has no constant, it is understood that the constant is 1. Here the typing mistake, student, that, that. Yes, correct. So once again I remind you what is a constant and what is the coefficient. Expressions and constants. Here expression are given 7b cube 23x square y a b raised to 4 c 83 f cube and m. In place of that you can say what is the constant. In this constant don't write this the power. Whatever the number is multiplied with a variable, it's the constant. Yes. In second example you can say immediately 23 is the constant. Okay. Now what about the third one? A b raised to 4c. Nothing is written. That means a 1 is presented. That's why 1 is the answer. Again 83 is the correct answer. M is nothing but it's a multiplied with 1. 1 into m will give you a m only. Okay. Correct. Now look at here, my dear student. Next one, variable and literal coefficient. Variables are used to represent unknown value. Once again I remind you, a constant has a fixed value and variable has the unknown value. It may be changed. That's why the name is given variable. Variables are often represented by letters, especially small letter A to Z. If an expression has no variable, therefore the expression is exact. Is it? Expression has no variable, that means a fixed value 3, 9, 8, 10, etc. Is it clear? Correct. Look at here, my dear student, examples of this 4, not but 5 examples. Same one, 7b raised to 7, 23 x square y, ab raised to 4, c, 83 f raised to cube, m. My dear student, what are the examples here? 7b raised to 7, yes, and then variable is named. Oh, very nice, b, correct. 23 x square y, xy. No need to write here x square y, my dear student. That is the main point. Be careful. That is the main point. Some students are writing directly x square y. Variable name only they ask, xy. Correct. ab raised to 4c. So here variable names are b4 times it is. I know very well. Yes, you are right, my dear student. Actually this ab raised to 4, that means How to write this one, beta? A multiplied by B multiplied by B multiplied by B multiplied by B multiplied by C. These are called the factors, or B is repeated 4 times. Power means repeat the things number of times. Is it correct? So A into B into B into B into B into C. Okay, but what are the variable name? A, B and C. F cube, don't write F cube, only write only the name of the things F, and M is only M. So here variable name also you are knowing. Exponent, power and degree. My dear student, exponents are seen at the top of a variable. I already explained once again. F cube. F cube का मतलब क्या बेटा? Will you tell me? F cube is a suppose expression. F cube. Or sometimes you say 2F cube. 2 is the coefficient, F is the variable, and 3 is the power or exponent, or you can say the degrees. Exponent in an expression can be like or unlike. They also show how many times the variable appears in an expression. If a variable has no exponent, it is understood that its exponent is 1. Therefore, there is no need to write 1 on the top of the variable. Suppose it's a P. Suppose it's a X or 3X. So what is there? Nothing is written. That means a 1 is there. And we are not showing. Is it or not? Right, my dear student, you are 100% right, and I hope you already clear this point. Yes, example. Exponents are here. 7b raised to 7. That first 7, no, top wala. Yes. Variable having the power. Yes. But here be careful. What are the variables? You have to show each and every exponents. Each and every exponent. So first example, 7b raised to 7, that means 7 is the answer. ये पकड़ना है बेटा. इसमें से x का कितना है 2, y का कितना है nothing is written, that means 1. Here a, b and c. A का कितना है बेटा 1, b का 4, correct. C का 1. You are right. Now you have clear clarification. 83 has any exponent? Sorry, this is the constant or coefficient. F के ऊपर कितना है बेटा 3, तो उसका पावर कितना आ गया 3. You have to confuse. Its exponents are written. So exponent is the same one of the power. Sometimes they can ask as a degree. So don't worry about the degree. You are knowing what is the degree. Isn't it? Correct. M के ऊपर कितना बेटा 1. So answer is 1. I hope so. You have clear idea regarding these expressions and this one. Now next thing is our polynomials. We can study regarding the different types of shape. And that shapes are very useful to find out the formula for rectangle, triangle, square, circle, cylinder, etc. But some patterns we have to see. Suppose I want to make a shape of the L. How many matchstick I want? Suppose it's just one matchstick and then second matchstick. Matchstick do you know? दिवासली. જોઈ કે નહીં બેટા? આવી કેટલી દિવાસલી હોય તો L બને બેટા? एक एल बनावा माटे एक जोए. एक एल माटे કેટલી જોઈએ બેટા 2. करेक्ट. बराबर. Suppose I want to make a L using the matchstick. How many matchsticks I need? 2. Suppose I want to make a 2L. How many matchsticks are needed? 2 plus 2, that means 4. Suppose I want to make a 3L. How many needed are? 6. Suppose I want to make a 4L. How many are needed? 8. Is it? Correct. Suppose I want to make a A. How many matchsticks are there बेटा? 3 matchsticks are there. 1A के लिए कितना बनेगा बेटा? ये पैटर्न बनाते हैं. क्या बनाते हैं बेटा? पैटर्न. 1 matchstick, second matchstick and third matchstick. एक ए के लिए 3 चाहिए. अच्छा 2 ए बनाना है तो Yes, you are right, my dear students. 6 are needed. How many are needed? 6 are needed. 6 के लिए क्या करेंगे बेटा? Yes. 3 के लिए 9. This is the pattern with the particular sum multiple tables. You are knowing this one. Okay. Can you remember these things? What is the shape of this one? Or what is the shape of this one? Yes, you are right. This is a square and this is the rectangle. How many matchsticks are needed for this one? Suppose this is a 2 and this is a 1. ये बनाने के लिए कितनी चाहिए और ये बनाने के लिए कितनी मैचस्टिक चाहिए? चलो काउंट करो. मैचस्टिक है. I can try to put the doubts of matchsticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it or not? इधर 2 है, इधर 1 है क्या नहीं? 2, 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 2, 6. And here 1, 1, 1, 1. And we are knowing what is a square. So here we can make the pattern of this square or rectangle. Suppose a rectangle 1. How many are needed? 6 are needed. Suppose 2 are there. 2 rectangles. So पहले की 6 चाहिए, दूसरे की भी 6 चाहिए, कम चाहिए बेटा. दूसरे की कम चाहिए. क्यों कम चाहिए बेटा? एक तो कॉमन आ गया. इधर 5 मिलेगा. कितना मिलेगा बेटा? इधर 5 ओनली. कितना मिलेगा दूसरे में? 5 मैचस्टिक होगा तो बन जाएगा. Want to see how it become? Okay, show you. चलो हम बनाते हैं रेक्टेंगल का. पहला रेक्टेंगल बना दिया बेटा. इसमें 2 मैचस्टिक लगा दी. पता चला मैं मैचस्टिक ट्राई कर रहा हूँ ड्रॉ करने की. एक मैचस्टिक इधर से इधर दूसरी और इधर से इधर तीसरी, चौथी, पांचवी, छठी. आगे बेटा 6. ओके, अगेन 2, 1, 2. अगेन 3, 4 एंड 5. सो टोटल कितनी बन गई बेटा? 11. पहले में कितनी चाहिए थी? 6. पक्का? ओके, 3 चाहिए तो कितनी चाहिएगा? 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड 5. टोटल कितनी होगी? 11 प्लस 5, 16. अगेन आप 2 लगाते तो 5 हर बार बढ़ता जाएगा. कितना बढ़ेगा? 5. तो 21 आएगा. So one some special formula is there here. Suppose this is a plus 5. A का मतलब है 6. A का मतलब है 6. Suppose someone says, sir, I don't like A. I want to put there x. No problem. Unknown number means x. X plus 5. हर बार आपको x plus 5 करते जाएंगे तो आपको मिलेगा x plus 5. That is a value. That is a value to find out these things. Or you can say this is a 2L, or you can say A and this is the B. A plus B and multiply by 2. That's the perimeter of the rectangle. Or you want to find the area inside part. That means A into B, length into breadth, or you can say side into side. These types of sums we can solve using this our algebra. And it is very useful for your next classes. Next classes means 7th standard, 8th standard, etc. My dear students, once again, algebra is nothing but it's a 1000 years ago it started, and introduction to algebra we can say simple way it is a combination of letters and numbers together. Up to now you already studied only letters, no, but numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. But in this lesson you can study, suppose 3 plus 5, you already knowing 3 plus 5 means 8. You are knowing this one. But sometimes you can say x ले लेता हूँ बेटा, x plus 5. पहली बार हम x को कितना लेंगे बेटा? हमने 6 लिया था. 1 रेक्टेंगल के लिए 6 में 6 आर नीडेड. सो सेकंड टाइम करना है तो क्या करेंगे बेटा? दूसरा कितना चाहिए? यस, 6 plus 5 will give you a, यस करेक्ट बेटा, 11. 6 का वैल्यू डाल दिया. एंटर द वैल्यू. This method also you have to know. Put the value of the variable in expression. You are having the constant. solution of any expression by putting a particular value, you are having the answer. So these types of sum also are there in our exercises. Try to solve it. And one more thing I want to clarify, some students cannot get a clear idea regarding this one, because this is the first step of your algebra, and it is very clearly said that means you need a sufficient practice, then and then only you will get a confidence and you will solve the all questions. But now when you are looking once and second time, third time, look at the videos, check it, solve the all questions by yourself, you will get the 100% confidence. Without confidence, nothing will possible. So don't afraid, make the perfect things. Is it clear? Suppose sometimes expressions will ask you, put the x is equal to 6 for expression 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5. What will be the answer? 3x plus 5. Anyone can help me? You have to put the value of x in this expression. Yes, my dear student, you are right. 3 into x, that is a 6 plus 5, will give you a 3 6 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5 means gives you a 18 plus 5 means 23. 23. Isn't it? So this is the final value, 23. Very good, beta. 23. But sometimes there is a equation once again, that 3x plus 5 is equal to some number, any number you can write here, 9, or you can say 12, 17. What is the value of x you have to find out? The value of x you can find out very simple way. First of all, this is the expression, and all together it's a equation. It has a left hand side is equal to sign, RHS right hand side. So what are the numbers are on the left side, send it to the right side. When you are transposing or shifting the numbers, it is changing their sign, or it is a changing that multiply to divide to multiply. Here is a plus, that means a 3x plus is going on right side is already 17 is there. Now plus 5, that is a minus 5 will become on right side. Yes. Now 17 minus 5 will gives you a 3x, and 17 minus 5 will give you a 12. Isn't it? Okay. Now on left side you are having 3x. 3x में से 3 को right side जाने का है बेटा, shifting the right side 3. Or you can say divide by 3 both the side, left side and right side, which is easy. You can use the method. I am sending this 3 to the right side, that only left side is a x. In the x and 3 has the relation multiplication. When it is moving on right side, it should be a divide. So 12 divided by 3. So 3 and 12 having any relation? Yes. 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. Now my final answer is x is equal to 4. Check, x is equal to 4 in left side. 3 fours are 12, 12 plus 5, 17. 17 on left side and 17 on right side. So both the answers remain the same. How to check this one? You are now getting the clear idea by putting the value in equation. If both the parts are equal, then after that equation is solved. I already showed these types of balance. You visited the vegetable market, you can find these types of balance, and it is showing you the proper weight. In one side they are keeping the weight, and one side they are keeping the vegetable. Whenever both the parts and straight line is there equal, then it's called the balanced. So equations should be balanced. So left side what is the value, and right side. Suppose by mistake if you got the wrong answer, then after what is the answer? Suppose 3x plus 5 is equal to 17 was there. By mistake any students got x is equal to 3. Let's put the value of x is equal to 3. So 3 into 3 plus 5 is equal to 17. Isn't it? Let it be checked. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 5. is equal to 17. Is it clear? So 9 plus 5, yes my dear student, 14. 14 is equal to 17. Is it right? Is it right? 14 and 17 दोनों equal है बेटा? No, equal नहीं है, not equal to. So that's why our answer is wrong. But when you put the correct one, you are having the right answer. Here we end up our today's sessions. We will meet in our exercise sessions. Till there, bye bye. Thank you.